forever. Oh, yo-ho, yo-ho. Till I'm naught but skull and bones, yo-ho, yo-ho. From outcast a kingpin was born upon the sea. There was meant to walk the land, a pirate's life for me. Avast you winding up the sails, don't speak to mutiny. Find yourself a wanton quarter, bottom of the sea. I'm on the shores of St. Anne to the eastern shores. I'll take my chances on the winds of loot and plunder scores. Our flag, it stands for us alone and no one else around. We owe our honor to the sea and not to any crown. Yo-ho, yo-ho, the seas forever roll. Yo-ho, yo-ho, the winds forever blow. Long after I let Davy Jones, still I'm not my skull and bones. Yo-ho. Hey-ho, me hearty, spring around. Hey-ho, me hearty, spring around. A pirate's life for me I found. A pirate's life for me I found. Yo-ho, yo-ho, the seas forever roll. Yo-ho, yo-ho, the winds forever blow. Long after I let Davy Jones, till I'm not my skull and bones. Yo-ho, yo-ho, the seas forever roll. Yo-ho, yo-ho, the winds forever blow. Long after I let Davy Jones, till I'm not my skull and bones.
Greetings, Skull and Bones. Indeed. This isn't a Chats with Vlad. Oh no, this is something special. I played that song at the beginning, Skull and Bones, because it's been a hard week. But I wanted to remind you in Diablo Immortal who we are and what we do. And don't let it come as a shock to you. Indeed not. Lots happened this week, boys and girls. Last week, when I did a Chats with Vlad, I was so happy. Over 100 subscribers, and by the way, that trend hasn't quit. I'm going for 110 very soon, hopefully. Indeed. But I wanted to bring up something, boys and girls. Yes, indeed, I wanted to bring up a fire starter. In pirate lingo, we'd call them mutineers. We had someone in our midst, someone whom I won't name, but she started a lot of trouble. So I guess for this instance, we'll call her Fire Marshal Bill.
To you, it's a riot, man. But to some folks, it's an insurance opportunity. Let me tell you something. I know you are not going to blow that. Don't worry, man. I am a fire marshal.
And just like Fire Marshal Bill, man, she burnt our base down. But there's good news, boys and girls. Although old people have gone and new people have come, We still have our base. No need to trip out.
Amen. Amen.
Now, what I've been told from upper management is we're gonna lay low on the Shadow Wars for a little bit. Become a family again. Grow again. Repair the damage that was done. But I wanted to tell anyone who left Skull and Bones, other than she who shall not be named. Everyone else, the doors are open. Your family awaits you. I'm talking to you, Rhodes, and I'm talking to you, Whistle Nuts. Come home. Give Captain a chance to explain what happened. I believe there's a serious miscommunication there. And we need our roadie, and we need our Whistle Nuts. Come home. Look, I know a lot of people want to think that clans in Diablo are democratic or republic, that there's a voting system. That's not the way it works. In real life, we have those things to protect our rights, to protect our lives, and to protect our happiness. But in a game in Diablo, it's a little bit different. I've never run a clan where I voted. If I ran a clan, I ran it. My officers listened to me, and we did what we needed to do as a group. The whole point to it is direction. If we have 100 people are going to vote to do 100 different things. You can't get 99 people to agree on anything. But just in case some of you do feel that you can go out there and do better, that you can go to someone else's clan and you can tell them what to do, hey, more power to you. Here's the thing, boys and girls. We're not in the land of make-believe. The equivalency to what she who shall not be named did was pretty much the equivalency of going over to your neighbor's barbecue, telling them they can't serve meat, there's no alcoholic beverages, and if anybody laughs too loud, they're kicked out. You don't go to a person's barbecue and make demands. And you don't go to someone's clan and try to usurp them. That's just rude. And it's tortuously maddening.
Stop it, please, I beg you!
So, Skull and Bones, this is what I want you to get out of this little bit. We're a family. We should stick together as a family. Don't let people break us apart. This week caused a lot of damage and we have a lot of repair to do, but we can do it together. And I'm gonna help lead that charge any way I can. I do hope you'll join me. And I do hope you'll be a team player. Until next time, Skull and Bones. Happy hunting and good fortune. And before you get mad at the wrong people, talk to them. And think about it.